Hello and welcome to another update video about SEI. Yeah, SEI has sold off a little bit more, broke below micro support and is under a lot of pressure today. That makes it more clear that we are now in wave C of 4 still. Remember that the support area hasn't moved at all and is still relevant, and a dip into the support area could actually provide another opportunity to look maybe for a long entry point. Once this C wave is complete. Okay, so remember in the previous video we explored already that in one of the scenarios the wave 4 was already finished. In the other one the wave 4 is still ongoing, so it depended on was dependent on one support level. Now that broke. Because that broke, I have to lean towards okay, that this is a C wave in wave 4 and the wave 4 is still unfolding. Technically speaking, a triangle option would also be possible, yeah, but I have no evidence for that at this stage. So, for example, what could happen is that this is forming a long triangle, which would be frustrating, but I haven't got enough waves to confirm a triangle. So I take that off the chart again. Only if we see further up and down movement, lower volatility and lower volume, then I will add that to the list. At the moment, I am following the idea that the wave 4 is in the making and the A wave bottomed already in our trading area here. Then we had a B wave rally, which did not manage to exceed the previous high. And now this C wave down is likely unfolding. And if it really is a C wave, then we should ideally, I mean, should, not will, but should get to 58 cents. This is an ideal target for a C wave. Basically, the A wave and the C wave often have the same length, and that would be perfect, you know, from a proportional point of view, looking at proportions and the right look. That would be ideal. 58 cents. That level is located between the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement, a level where we might see a reaction already. Okay, we've seen reactions already here 3 to 4 times at the 63.6 cent level. And between the 38.2 retracement at 52 cents. They are two main levels, or it's an area that's highly relevant for this fourth wave. Yeah, so the whole area is obviously relevant. I think at this stage it seems likely that it will at least touch the 23.6 Fib level. And because we didn't get an overshooting B wave, it is likely that if this is an ABC structure and not something like a triangle, then the C wave should reach that 58 cent level next. As I said, it could form into a triangle. If that becomes more obvious, I will let you know. But then we should see a little bit more up and down. But overall, against the 44 cent level, one more high is expected in wave 5. Yeah, at least one more high, maybe 2 more highs. And as next extensions, or let's say targets to watch, we've got the 93 cent level. But probably more relevant is 97, $1.06, and $1.16 next as, yeah, basically the next targets to the upside. Yeah, the idea that we are already in wave 5 doesn't seem very likely anymore, at least not in the count I had already. You know, we talked about potentially this as wave 1, wave 2, this now as the wave 3, and this is sort of an A, B in wave 3, then wave C. But it's coming down too much here. It's you know, the retracement is too, let's say, too aggressive. Possible. Everything's possible, but we have to deal with what's probable. So I think that analysis gives us very clear levels to watch. Also, in case the price dips back into the support area, you are prepared to watch those relevant levels. And yeah, if anything different happens, then of course I'll update you in the next video. And there could be, again, a triangle, could be developing. If it rallies directly from here, it would be not very likely that this is all of wave C. Would need to think about what it could be, but from a likelihood point of view, yeah, if this is the correct interpretation, the C wave should get to 58 cents. So yeah, that's my update about SEI. Hope you like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.